Hi everyone, this is Judy and welcome to my IGTV. For today's video, I'd like to share with you how I do my eyebrows. I also want to share with you yung mga products na ginagamit ko pang kilay. Bago ka magkilay, syempre iisipin mo kung ano yung gagamitin mo pang kilay. Ano ba yung gusto mo or ano ba yung nakasanayan mo. So I have here a brow powder. Sorry, nagre-reflect siya. This one is from Brow by Chat. So this one, I have a pomade, which is this LA Girl Soft Brown. This one from Sunny's Face. The Light Brow Skinny Pencil. I have one in ash brown. Or this tint pen. Lasting Eyebrow Tint Pen from K Palette. It's like this. Yeah. So pag nakapag-decision ka na kung anong gusto mong gamitin for that certain occasion, or for that day, then yeah, you can move on to deciding anong shape yung gusto mo sa brows mo. As for me, this is how I measure my brow shape. I start here since hindi naman katangusan yung ilong ko. Kasi if I start here, ang layo ng mo obvious na masyado ko, well, mo obvious na pango ako, or I have a flat nose. Okay lang yan. Next is sa side na ng nose ko, yung arch na. So, my eyeball, and then the side of my nose, and then, ayan siya. And then, yung tail ng, or other end ng brow ko, sa side pa rin ng nose ko, and I make sure na nandito siya sa end or corner ng eye ko. So, ganun. What if? So, what if yung eyes nyo is hooded, like, ganito siya? Isusunod mo ba yung tail ng brows mo? Like, ganun din. For me, I suggest not. Kapag sinundan nyo yung corner ng hooded eyes nyo, your eyes will look sadder. So, yun yung syempre ayaw natin nangyari kasi nga nag-eyeshadow nga tayo to lift it up and not to emphasize it. I hope that makes sense. Baka rin magkilay, kailangan mo rin syempre ng spoolie. Yes, you need to have a spoolie kung anumang product na gagamitin mo for your brows. Kasi ito yung tutulong sa'yo to achieve your ideal brow. I am going to brush my brows up. And then I will start So, when you get closer to your inner brows, mas gagaanan mo pa yung kamay mo. Kasi, kapag mabigat yung kamay mo dito, magiging harsh yung eyebrows mo. So, ako, gusto ko lang ng soft arch. Ayoko ng masyadong mataas na kilay. Ayoko din na masyadong patusok. So, notice, ganyan lang siya. So this is how it looks like if I wanted to have a more natural eyebrows using this pencil. I'm just going to brush it up again with my spoolie. Well, I don't have a brow soap or a clear brow gel. Actually, I have one here, but I'm not going to use it now. I'm going to use this instead. It's a spiking glue for, yeah, it's for the hair. So, you can also use the eyelash glue. Pwede yun. So, I'm going to put some first here in my So, sobrang konti lang siya. See? So, meron na siyang product dun sa brush na. What I'm going to do is just to brush it up. Kasi, ang gusto kong i-achieve is yung parang fuller brows. For the next product that we're going to use is this Brow It by Chat Liquid Brow Matte Waterproof. It's in the shade 02 or dark chocolate. So sometimes I put it at the back of my hand but this time I'm going to put it here on a stainless steel palette. So pag nag-dip ako sa product, medyo sinespread ko muna siya dito para hindi masyadong maparami yung ilalagay ko sa kilay ko. And then I'm just spreading the product. First, dun sa tail ng brows ko. The arch. Just want it soft again. And then I slowly move towards the inner corner of my brows. Sorry, I had to record my voice for the rest of the process. This time I'm going into the inner corner of my brows and I'm just spreading the product left that I have on my brush. Now I'm using concealer to create a more defined brows. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung concealer to conceal yung mga small growing hairs. Tapos pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin to shape your brows. And to finish it by cleaning it up. Like so. Last but not least, I am applying a brow mascara. This is from MAC Pro Longwear in Toasted Blonde. And ito talaga yung favorite ko. Since I'm not a fan of blackest black kilay, kahit mas dark pa yung hair ko, gusto ko lagi gumagamit ng brow mascara whenever I use brow gel or liquid brow tattoo. And if not of the same color, I always pick the lighter brow mascara para hindi masyadong black or hindi masyadong dark yung brows ko. Parang feeling ko natural pa rin or medyo glam. So there you have it, guys. This is how I do my eyebrows and I hope pasado sa inyo and I hope na natuto kayo kahit paano. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Thank you!